Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. I am so delighted, I'm so grateful to welcome you once again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 main principles to become a rich and successful forex traders. So if you truly want to become a successful forex trader right now, there are certain principles that you need to put into consideration for you to attain your success. So that is why in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 7 main principles that will make you become rich and successful in life. So my advice for you guys is to make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any, and you are going to learn a lot of things from this video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 main principles to become a rich and successful forex traders. These 7 principles is not only meant for forex traders, it is in all spheres of life. If you are able to adhere to these 7 principles that I'm about to share with you in today's video, you are going to become rich and successful in any kind of business you are doing, whether you are into buying and selling, whether you are trading the financial market, or if you are working as an employee. These 7 principles will help you to become rich and successful in future. So to become highly successful, there are 7 principles that you need to adhere to, and number 1 is you need to have a burning desire to become successful. So the 7 main principles that will make you to become rich and a successful forex trader is number 1 is for you to have what? A burning desire for success. If you truly want to become successful in either forex trading, crypto trading, or any kind of business that you are into, you need to have a burning desire. You need to have that hungry for success, because your desire for wealth will push you to do what? To make plans that you are going to stick to, right? So if you want to become rich and successful in life, you need to have a burning desire in whatever you are doing, right? Because if you are hungry of success, you will be able to discipline yourself and do all the things that is required for you to become successful. And number 1 is for you to have what? A plan of how you are going to execute your daily goal. Because if you don't have a plan, there is absolutely no way you can become successful. So you need to have a plan and then look for ways on how you are going to execute your plan. Your burning desire will help you to be committed to whatever you are doing. It will help you to set out goals, right? And making sure that you do what? You actualize those goals. So having a burning desire for success is going to help you to have commitment, to commit yourself to whatever you are doing. And this is one of the recipes for success. If you truly want to become successful in life, you need to have a burning desire to become successful in life. So what I'm saying right now is that you need to have a strong burning desire. You need to be hungry for success. If you truly want to become successful in life, you must have the urge for success, because when you have a burning desire for success, it will trigger you to do all it takes to actualize your daily goal. Because if you have the burning desire to become successful in life, you will do everything humanly possible to become successful. That is to say, you are going to make sure that you respect your rules. You make sure that you put up a plan, your daily goals, and make sure that these daily goals are being achieved every single day. So the burning desire for success will trigger you to do what it takes to become successful. That is why the first principle of becoming a successful forex trader is to have a burning desire for success. So if you're a forex trader, For you to become successful, you must have the desire, the burning desire to be successful, and that will trigger you to work hard, to do everything it takes, to become successful. And like I said, you need to put up a plan on how you are going to become successful, and you make sure that you achieve your daily goal consistently. So that is the first principle to become successful in life. So the second principle to become a rich and successful forex trader is to have a strong emotional connection and self-belief. For you to become successful in whatever you are doing, you need to have a strong emotional connection and self-belief. In other words, you need to have faith in yourself. You need to believe in yourself. Believe that you can actualize whatever you are doing. Believe in whatever you are doing. Never neglect your power. Never neglect your creativity. So having a strong emotional connection helps you to know that there is something in you that is great, something that is waiting to be exposed to the world. So you need to believe in yourself, believe that you can make it. So if you are a forex trader, you need to believe in your strategy, believe in whatever you are doing. Don't always have doubt. Always believe in yourself, trust your ability. Have faith in yourself and also have faith in God. Because if you don't have faith in yourself, you can't trust anybody. So having a strong emotional connection and self-belief implies that you need to believe in yourself. You need to have faith within yourself that whatever you are planning is going to work out the way you want it to. And whatever your mind tells you to do, do it, and it will come out successfully. The second principle to become successful in life is to have a strong emotional connection and self-belief. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is that you need to have faith in yourself. You need to believe in yourself. You need to have a strong emotional connection and self-belief. Right? So whatever you are doing in life, you need to believe that you can do something. You need to trust your ability. Never ever neglect your ability. God has endowed you with so much creativity, right? So the best thing you can do is to trust your ability, trust your creativity, and do what your mind tells you to do. Some forex traders do not believe in themselves. Whenever they analyze the market will tell them to buy. But for the fact that they have some self-doubt within themselves, they'll become scared of placing a buy trade. But if you have a self-belief, if you have a strong emotional connection and self-belief, you will be able to trust yourself, know fully well that whatever you tell yourself to do, you'll be able to do it without any alteration, without any reservation. So self-belief is very important. If you want to become successful in life, you must learn to believe in yourself, to have faith in yourself, to be confident, to have courage, to do things without seeking for any assistance, to be self-reliant. So once you know that have some value within yourself, it is the right time to start making use of that value. Some people do not trust themselves. They prefer advice from others, right? Like a forex trader, you have a best strategy, but you become, scared of using it, feeling that it's not going to work out because you don't trust yourself and the strategy. So you start looking for other so-called guru to get their strategy. That is lack of self-belief. So to become successful, you need to have a strong self-belief and emotional connection. The third principle to become successful in life is Auor Suggestion. Auor Suggestion simply means feeding our subconscious mind with positive thoughts. So if you want to become successful in life, you need to feed your subconscious mind with positive thoughts. You need to say positive things to yourself, because whatever you say to yourself is what you will be. If you say you're a failure, you're going to be a failure, right? If you say you're going to be rich, you're going to be rich. So you need to, say positive things to yourself. That's what we call Auor Suggestion. You need to send some positive signal to your subconscious mind. Wake up in the morning, tell yourself, I'm good looking. Today, I'm going to be successful. Tomorrow, I will be successful. Say positive things to yourself, because whatever you say to yourself is what we manifest. That is why they say that there is power in our tongue. Some people are so ignorant that they will always be saying negative things about themselves, and at the end of the day, they end up being negative. So for you to become successful, you need to feed your subconscious mind with positive thoughts. You need to auto-suggest your mind. Tell your mind positive things so that it will energize you. If you want to become rich in life, you need to claim that you are already rich. If you want to have money, you need to claim that you already have money. That is what we call feeding your subconscious mind with positive thoughts. The fourth principle to become successful in life is for you to have a specialized knowledge. Specialized knowledge means focusing on one thing until you become successful on that particular thing before you can switch. So if you truly want to become successful in life, you need to have a specialized knowledge. You need to focus your mind in something that you are doing. Do not be jack of all trades, master of none. You need to be focused in whatever you are doing, because when you are focused, you will be committed. You will pay attention to whatever you are doing. So when you become successful in whatever you are doing, then you can now do what? You cannot change to something else, but make sure that you are focused in something, because once you are not focused, you become distracted, you'll be confused. So to become successful in life, you need to have a specialized knowledge. If you check some of the weirdest people in life, they are very focused. They are focused in whatever they are doing. So until you are successful in that particular thing, that is when you cannot change to something else. But as long as you are still building something, you need to be focused in what you are doing. So having a specialized knowledge will make you successful in life. So that is the fourth principle of becoming successful in life. The fifth principle of becoming successful in life is you need to have a strong imagination. You need to have a strong imagination to prepare for future situations. So think about it. So many things that were created in this life was first imagined, right? Before it came into existence. So if you want to become successful in life, you need to start imagining things. You need to have a strong imagination of what you want to become. Some people imagine that they want to become rich. Some imagine that they want to buy the best house. Some imagine that they want to buy the best car. So once you have that imagination, so you start doing what it takes to get that into reality. If you imagine of owning one of the best houses in the world, you need to work towards that. So when you eventually own that house, your imagination becomes reality. So whatever you want to do, you must first imagine it. The essence of starting a forex trader is because you want to be rich. You imagine yourself being a rich person. You imagine yourself driving in an expensive car. You imagine yourself driving in a Porsche, Lamborghini. So once you have that imagination, the next thing is for you to work hard, set up goals, and work towards it to achieve what you are dreaming. So once you eventually achieve your dream and buy that Porsche and Lamborghini, your imagination has become a reality. So for you to become successful in life, you need to have a strong imagination that will prepare you for future situations. So that is the fifth principle of becoming successful in life. The sixth principle of becoming successful in life is persistence. You need to have a strong persistence. Persistence simply means never give up. It means working on something even when that thing is not profitable, even when there is no way forward. You are just moving, but there's no way forward. That is persistence. So when you have a strong persistence, it will help you to endure hard times. It will help you to endure hard times. So persistence is very important. Persistence means never give up. Working even when you are not seeing any results. Some people will be trading the forex market and yet they are not successful. Before you know it, they will say this business is not working and they will quit. Have it at the back of your mind that if you quit, there is no guarantee of success, because if you quit, there is no way you will reach your destination. If you are traveling and you quit along the way, is there any way you can reach your destination? Absolutely no way. So for you to become successful in life, you must have the spirit of persistence. You must persevere. No matter what it is, you must exercise patience until your dream comes to reality. Even if the going gets tough, you need to keep going. That is why they say when the going gets tough, the toughest gets going. So giving up should be the last word you should ever imagine. So persistent means never quit, never give up. Keep working. Even when you are not seeing anything, keep pushing. That is the part of persistence. Believing that one day your hard work will pay. That is the part of persistence. So every successful person on this planet, on this earth, understand the importance of persistence. And that is why you see that most of the richest people in the world, they became rich due to their persistence of reaching a specific goal. So if they were not persistent, it won't be possible for them to reach their specific goal. That is why persistence is very, very important if you truly want to become successful in life. So that is the sixth principle of becoming successful in life. The seventh principle of becoming successful in life is to have a strong money management. Money management is very important if you want to become successful in life, because if you have a strong money management, you will know how to use your money wisely. So if you have money in your bank account, the best thing you can do is to invest that money. Invest it in assets, not liability. You need to multiply that money. If you have $1,000 in your bank account, you need to multiply it to maybe $5,000, because if you leave it in a bank just like that, it will remain like that. So what you do is to invest it wisely, right? Not that when you make money, you just eat that money, everything will finish. You need to invest the money so that money will generate more money for you. The same thing applies to forex trading. You need to manage your money. No matter the amount of money you have in your trading account, you need to manage it very well so that money will generate more money for you. So in every business in life, money management is very important. If you have the right money management skills, there is absolutely no way you're going to go broke, because no matter the small money you have, you'll be able to minimize it, invest it in asset generating income, and before you know it, your small money will multiply into big money. But if you have money and you decide to eat that money will finish, and before you know, you become broke. So when I talk of money management, I'm not saying that you should not do charity. You can do charity, right? You can have a foundation, help people, the poor, the less privileged, right? But what I'm saying is that as you are giving out to the poor, you should have a little that you can reinvest in businesses, buying of assets, so that it will bring you more money. So money management means setting aside some amount of money that you can use, right, to invest in businesses, so that money will bring more money for you. So if you check most of the richest guys on earth, they are good investors. They know how to use their money wisely. So if you want to become successful in life, money management is very important. Know how to manage your resources. Like I said, invest your money in income generating assets. Don't invest your money in liability. Don't eat your money. Make sure that you preserve some money which you will invest in income generating assets, so that it will multiply more money for you, and by that you can never be poor. So that is why money management is one of the principles of becoming successful in life. So my advice for you guys is to make sure that you write down these 7 principles, read them thoroughly, or you can rewatch this video once in a while, so that you will be able to know the principles that will skyrocket you to success. So if you're able to abide by these 7 principles, you are going to become successful in few years from now. So make sure that you go through these 7 principles, look yourself and ask yourself whether if you are abiding them, right? And once you are doing that, it's just 2 steps away for your success story. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope you love this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educative content like this, and also don't forget to turn on the notification icon to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new content. I will see you again in my next update. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.